Okay friends, are we ready to make a St. Patrick's Day craft? I grabbed a couple pieces of paper, a green piece of construction paper and a white piece of paper. I also grabbed myself a black pen. I got some scissors, which be sure to have your special adult help you with this, and some glue. This is a glue stick. So, the first thing I'm going to do is draw a shape. Take a look, friends, and I want you to see if you can guess what shape I'm drawing. Do one on this side, one on this side. Do you know what shape this is? Yes, it's a heart. Okay, I'm gonna draw a couple more. So we already got one. Now we have two. Let's draw another. That makes three. And one more, 4 green hearts. We also have to draw a stem. I'm gonna cut these hearts out now. Now that I got all my hearts cut out, I'm going to glue down the stem. I'm going to position them like this. And then I'm also going to glue the hearts down to form a shamrock. Now that my shamrock's all done, you can decorate it however you want around your shamrock. I'm gonna make a rainbow. And the colors that I want to use are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. What do you think about my rainbow, friends? Isn't it beautiful? Okay, at the end of the rainbow, there's supposed to be a pot of lucky leprechaun gold. So I'm gonna draw a pot of leprechaun gold. First, I'm gonna take my black marker and I'm gonna draw the pot. I'm gonna color the pot in yellow. That's gonna be my gold. And then I'm gonna take a small fine point pen to outline the shapes of coins. These are my golden coins to make my pot of gold. The last thing I'm gonna do is write Happy St. Patrick's Day. I hope you guys had so much fun making the craft with me.